I would like to solve this question. Find the intersection point of these two lines. I'm given parametric equations of two lines. So I have one line in here, L1. I have another line in here, let me call it L2. Okay, and these two have one intersection point. Let me call it P. To find P, I need to find a value for T in here and a value for S in here, such that after I plug in T in here, I get 1 point, which are the coordinates of the point P. And if I plug in the values for S in here, I find the exact point P. Okay, so now how can I find these two values of T and S? I need to set the first coordinate of the lines equal to each other, second coordinates equal to each other, and the third coordinate equal to each other. And in that case, I get three equations and two variables, T and S. Okay, so let me do it. I'm gonna put the first coordinate of the first line equals to the first coordinate of the second line. Then 1 minus t equals to s, and then 2t equals to 2. So as you see, I have three equations. I have two variables, t and s. Okay, so that's a system of equation. Let me try to solve it. From here, I get t equals to 1. So that's good. Now, let me plug in t equals to 1 in here. I get 1 minus 1, s equals to 0. Let me see. These two, do they satisfy that? 1 plus 1 equals to 2 minus 0. Exactly. So, s equals to 0 and t equals to 1 are the values that I was looking for. Now let me plug in s equals to 1 in here. S equals to 0 in here. So when s is 0, x is 2. When s is 0, y is 0. And z always equals to 2. Let me see. When t equals to 1, I get 2. When t equals to 1, I get 0, and when t equals 1, I get 2. I get the same point, which is the point of intersection, by setting the first coordinate of the lines, second coordinate of the lines, and third coordinates of the line equal to each other, and find the values of s and t that with these two values I get the intersection point.